So our mission is simple. We need to bring the optimum potential of the mind of the children. So it helps to overcome their weaknesses and make them have a platform to grow stronger and richer and as well as happier. So most of the parents will decide in 3 formats for the careers. Like, one, if I'm a doctor, so then my child want to be a doctor as well. This is what kind of a mindset so many people are aware of. And also there is another type of parents who can see the marks, like usually there is a progress card, right? You are good in this kind of subjects, you go for this kind of field. And also there are other kind of parents who always try to provide a kind of a environment, like they give freedom. Do whatever you want, achieve whatever you want, we are going to support. This is the kind of mindset parents usually provide, like platform they provide. So one thing we have to understand is, giving a freedom is good, but understanding their children is very important, because there are 4 kinds of children actually, usually the humans. One is normal, abnormal, active and hyperactive. What are the main things that influence a human? Can anybody say what is the main thing that can influence the human? Influence in the sense means your decision making, your activities, your hobbies and your way of talking and everything. What is the main core thing that can influence a human? Anybody? Emotions? Which? Yeah, please. You have to express your mind. Very good. Other things? No? Visualization. How?
Anything, whatever you are acting. So we should be observing our surroundings and videos.
Very good. Exactly. That the environment actually. We observe everything, right? Environment is the main core thing that influences a human. Whatever your decision make, if I want to go for a movie, right? I want to watch Bahubali or a Pushpa 2 or anything. You get influenced by marketing, right? Like how they will do the marketing. If I want to become an IAS officer, if I want to become an IPS officer, it will also influenced by some other people, right? How? We took inspire from our families, societies, friends, and so many people. It can eventually make them to decide who they are actually. That's the problem. They will show interest because of the environment. If I am getting excited for one thing, I will go for it without knowing their own potential. Potential means your capabilities. There are different kinds of people. I am the one who is going to be an IAS officer for example. Do I have the potential to become an IAS officer? How can you tell that you have a potential for an IAS or IPS officer? So that's why, if there is a clarity whether what kind of profession you choose, whether you have a potential or not, we are going to know exactly through career counseling. So choosing a right career and right time will help every child to achieve success, to grow stronger, to be confident, to be happier actually. So, there is a 1.45 billion of population, there is a huge competition, everything is going on, and whatever the things we are facing, it's kind of a very tragically, there are so many suicides is going on because of the family pressures, financial pressures, society and everything. Everything is influencing a human mind to go in a particular way where we can't control ourselves. Our organization provide Ridge Analysis. It's an Australian scientific test which helps to analyze your brain. So main thing what you can understand is, know your child inborn talents. Each and everybody has a talents. We are going to know exactly what kind of talent you have and know your child's personality. There are 9 types of personalities. This is called as Enneagram's personality. We are going to know exactly what kind of personality you have. In that personality, there are different kinds of characteristics, strengths and weaknesses, desires and phobias. And also we are going to know exactly how we, as a parent, as a teacher, as a friend, as a relatives, how we have to guide them, how we can influence in a positive manner. They help them to grow stronger, a strong mindset. And also we have that, we are going to know about the learning patterns, whether you are auditory or visual or kinesthetic, and know your different critical capabilities, IQ, EQ, AQ and CQ. So IQ means intelligent quotient, EQ means emotional quotient, emotional intelligence we can say, and as well as we have the AQ means adversity quotient, where we can handle a pressure handling situations, like pressure taking capacity, we have a pressure taking capacity or not, we are going to know. And two, we have that suitable career, and strengths and weaknesses of the person and most suitable career. So everything you are going to know through this Ridge analysis, okay? So what is the main thing? Why we have to know about this? Because without knowing your inborn talents, personality, everything, it is going to be impact your life by getting influenced by others.